Welcome to FIXtastic Contents. Do you get this message on your iPhone? Unable to load video. An error occurred while loading a higher quality version of this video. Or on your iPad device? Do you get this message? Then stay tuned and I will show you what to do to fix this issue. This problem happens for one of three reasons. Let's start with number one. Perhaps your iPhone internal storage is full. Number two, your iCloud allocated storage is full. Number three, you may have slow cellular data or Wi-Fi connection. Now let's look for solutions. First solution is to free up unwanted internal storage on your device. Second solution, increase your iCloud storage by paying extra for the next available tier. Third solution, connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi if you're on cellular data. Try moving to a different location with a higher network signal. Now, to recover individual videos/photos on your iPhone with this error message, and let's say, for example, you want one video in particular and you're getting this message, there is a working solution by duplicating a video. Yes, guys, to do this, on the top of the right of the screen, click duplicate and it should download the duplicate video/photo again, and the original one may work too. Let me know how you get on. Please like and subscribe to the channel and I will be waiting for your comment. Thank you for watching.